The air bubble is the first proven technology that effectively removes more than 95% of both nitrogen dioxide and particles from inside a car. It's now well known that air pollution affects our health, especially those living in cities. However, what most people aren't aware of is just how bad the air in your car can be. Nitrogen dioxide levels, primarily from diesel emissions, inside your car cabin can be 10 times over the WHO limit. Sitting in a vehicle with your windows up in traffic is not the safe haven you might think that it is. That's why we've created the air bubble, the first proven technology of its kind that removes all elements of air pollution, including nitrogen dioxide, from inside a car cabin. The air bubble is optimized to protect drivers and their families in polluted cities, and professional drivers who spend hours on the road. Designed to fit on the back of the car headrest, the air bubble works by drawing polluted air circulating inside the car into the unit before our proprietary filtration technology removes gases, particles, bacteria, dust, and odors. Clean air is then released back to the driver and passengers in the most efficient way possible, using advanced airflow dynamics.
What we breathe matters, and at Air Labs it's our mission to reduce people's exposure to air pollution. Like most parents, I'm always conscious to avoid the high levels of air pollution found on busy roads. What I hadn't realised is the levels of harmful nitrogen dioxide can be even higher inside our cars. Our research was a real wake-up call, as I realised the impact this could have on the health of my son and of other children. At Air Labs, knowing we had the only proven technology to effectively remove nitrogen dioxide, I knew it was our duty to develop the air bubble, giving people the power to protect themselves and their families.
The air bubble has been designed by our team of atmospheric chemists and airflow engineers at Air Labs in our research laboratory here in Copenhagen. It uses our proprietary filtration technology developed over the past decade. At Air Labs, we specialize in creating clean air zones for people. The technology inside the air bubble has proven itself inside of clean air bus shelters and in a clean air bench commissioned by Transport for London. During the past year, we have focused on creating a clean air zone inside of a car and on making the air bubble a reality. We have manufacturers lined up, and with your help, we can start protecting people with the air bubble early next year.
We're really excited to be launching the air bubble, and today we're asking for your support so we can start making a real difference to people's lives.
So we start the story off with a Sunday morning. A girl wakes up, looks at her sheets, checks to see if her period has leaked all over. Thank goodness it hasn't. She doesn't have to spend her Sunday morning in front of a washing machine. Instead, she could read her favorite magazine, have some coffee, put on some hip music, dance, and maybe even do some yoga. She gets ready to go out, puts on her favorite leak-free period panties. She's feeling good and sexy and confident, ready to enjoy the rest of her day. She has no worries, she's leak-free. Hi, I'm Amparo, the designer for leak-free period panties. The thought behind leak-free is to create an easy, money-saving, environmentally friendly alternative for women. On average, in North America alone, there are about 20 billion disposable pads and tampons sent to landfills per year. Each of the 73 million menstruating women in North America will throw away 16,800 disposable pads or tampons in their lifetime. Leak-free, on the other hand, uses washable and reusable materials. Compare that to disposable pads, and it's definitely more eco-friendly. Not only are leak-free period panties cheaper and environmentally friendly, we also help other women on a global scale. With each purchase, we will donate menstrual panties to women from other countries where a lot of adolescent girls miss school every month due to lack of menstrual sanitation. With leak-free, they would have something more permanent than disposable pads. We will also partner with various nonprofit organizations to help expedite the distribution process. Leak-free's padded fibers are composed of layers of cotton, viscose, and a super absorbent bamboo cloth that is 3 times more effective than a regular disposable pad. It covers a generous amount of both the crotch and butt area. It's black in color to prevent stains from showing after wash. So whether you're running around during the day or tossing about at night, you don't have to worry about a pad moving or shifting or your period overflowing onto your panty and sheets because Leak-Free has great coverage. With your help, we'll use whatever funds we get to finally manufacture, distribute, and share Leak-Free to you and to women around the world. Because Leak-Free isn't just about living free, it's also about sharing that feeling.
Hi, I'm Bob. People actually call me Smart Bob because I'm, well, smart. I find all these cool gadgets that plug into the Internet of Things and have people saying, hey, why didn't I think to use that? Duh, it's because Smart Bob thought of it first. Here's my latest discovery. No, it's not the shower. It's called EvaDrop, the first smart shower that helps you save water. Did you know the average shower uses 17 gallons of water? Of course you didn't. With EvaDrop, you can cut that in half. Here, let me show you how it works. Usually, when you turn on the shower, you occupy yourself with other, more inventive ways to pass the time, waiting for that perfect temperature. That is, until you realize you've been running the water the entire time. How much water did I waste? I wasn't even in the shower yet, but now with EvaDrop, I can program the temperature I like, and its internal heat sensor detects when it hits my desired temperature and cuts the flow of water. No more waste of water while you're away from the shower. Now, when I walk into the shower and turn on the water, it's hot right away, no waiting. That's not all. EvaDrop can do even more. It uses its proximity sensor system to automatically adjust the flow of water depending on where I am in the shower and what I'm doing. If I'm right under the shower head rinsing shampoo from my hair, I get 100% flow right when I need it. But if I step back to soap up, the water flow reduces, saving water while still keeping me comfortable and warm. If I go even further away to get soap or even shave my legs, it reduces the flow of water even more. It's simple and automatic. Ooh, smooth. EvaDrop's universal design fits any shower, any size, and is easily installed between your existing shower head and the wall. But what's really cool is the EvaDrop app. All of this can be controlled and tracked through the app, so I can set goals, adjust preferences, switch between large and small shower settings, even see how much water I'm saving each day. So take it from Smart Bob. Get EvaDrop. It's a smarter way to shower.
Everyone has a front door, and everyone wants control. As you probably know, there's a lot of gadgets out there to help you manage access to your front door. This one is a doorbell with a camera. It goes ding dong and lets you see who's at the front door so you can go boo-hoo and scare the bad guys away. Okay. And there's this one that claims to be a smart lock, but for it to actually be smart, you've got to buy and connect a separate doorbell and keypad, buy and connect a separate camera, and buy and connect a separate connector thingy to make it all work. That's a lot of buying and connecting, and I'm not quite sure how smart that is. Now, let me show you something. This is Gate, the world's first all-in-one camera-equipped smart lock, fully capable of protecting what's on the inside while securely managing what happens on the outside. Now, remember those individual components on that other lock? They're all right here in one beautifully seamless design called Gate. The camera, the doorbell, the keypad. It also has two-way audio, built-in Wi-Fi, and yes, you can even handle one of those things called a key, just in case you want to go old school. And the best part, with Gate, you control everything from right here, right on the Gate app. You'll start building a personal circle of trusted individuals and expanding that circle by offering access to others, like a dog walker or your weekend guests. So get yourself a Gate right here. The secure, intelligent way to control access to your home from anywhere.